we'll check out 5 amazing Python projects with their source code. So first will be the driver original detection. Second will be the object detection system. Third will be the emotion-based music recommendation system. And the fourth will be the face mask detection. Fifth will be the handwritten character recognition. So we have to explore all those projects and with their source code. And if you add those projects in your resume, then there will be high chances of getting placement. So if you are a college student and want to develop any Python projects, then you can develop any of them. That will be the great choice. So let's start this video. First, we'll check out the object detection system. So in that particular project, user have to upload any input video or image to that model, and it will identify that particular object with their voice output. So let's check out their working. This will be the main file, Python file. So let's open the terminal here, and we have to write Python space detection.py, then enter.
Person detected. Person detected. Person detected. Truck detected. Truck detected. Person detected. Person detected. Motorbike detected. Person detected. Car detected. Car detected. Person detected. Person detected. Truck detected.
So let's close this project. So this will be the output video of that particular project. Let's check out the input video. So we have provided that particular video as input, and it identifies that object like bicycle, truck, persons, like that it will identify. So let's close it, and let's give another input video. You have to just replace with that name new.mp4. Okay, then save this file, and again you have to open the terminal and then write python space detection.py.
Person detected. 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 Person detected.
So it will identify the person from that particular input video, and this will be the input video. So this will be the input video. Let's close it, and let's give input as image. Okay, like image1.jpeg. Let's paste the name and then write jpeg. Then open in terminal and run this project.
Potted plant detected.
So it identifies the potted plant, 0.9667% accuracy. Okay, let's close that. User can provide any of the input image. So let's give another input image. Let's copy the image name and then paste here. And again run the project. Python space detection.py.
Aeroplane detected.
Then it identifies as aeroplane with 0.9836% accuracy. Let's give one more input image. I'm just copying that image and paste it here. Then again run the detection.py file.
Dog detected.
So it identifies dog with 0.9939% accuracy. User can provide any of the input image from Google as well, and it will identify that particular object with their voice output. And this will be the complete code. Okay, let's close that. And in that particular project, we are using the YOLO v3 algorithm to train the model. And this will be the coco.names file, YOLO v3.cfg, and the YOLO v3.weights file. Let's go back. Now let's check out the different project. Let's open the driver Drowsiness detection. So this will be the project folder, and we have to run the main.py file. So we have to just open in terminal and then write python space main.py. Then enter. Then you have to enter the email address. Let's enter the email address. Then click on add button. Now click on the start webcam. So it will open the laptop front camera and identify that the driver is in drowsiness state or not. And it will count the total sleeps, total yawns, and ER and MAR value. So ER is eye aspect ratio and MAR is mouth aspect ratio. So let's remove the mic.
You are sleeping, it could be dangerous. I'm alerting your emergency contact regarding this.
So it found that driver is sleepy and it could be dangerous. It will send the alert message on email ID. So let's check out the email. Now see, it sent an alert message. A driver is found sleepy and it could be dangerous. And it fetched the IP address. with the other details like accuracy, area code, city, continent code, country code, latitude, longitude, organization, and telemedia services, region, and time zone. So it fetches all the details. So let's close that. This will be the complete project. So let's open the About Us page. This is a software which detects the facial feature of driver and detect if he is drowsy or not. If he is drowsy, it plays alert beep sound for 3 times. After that, it will send the message to the emergency contact as safety protocol. Open the contact us page. You can add your team member details here. So let's close that. So this will be the complete project. You have to add your email address here so that it will send an alert to that particular email ID. So let's close that. In that particular project, it will check the state of driver. Like if he is found sleeping, then it will send an alert to that particular email ID and with the beep sound. So let's close that project and open the emotion based music recommendation system. So it will identify the person emotion and according to that it will suggest the musics. So let's run the app.py file. We have to just right click on it, then open in terminal and write python space app.py. Then enter. So there will be a link. You have to just click on that particular link. Then it will open the web page. Here in the left hand side, it will identify the emotions, and in the right hand side, it will recommend the songs with the name, album, and artist. So let them detect the emotions. So it will identify the emotion, and according to that, it will suggest the songs with their album and an artist. Okay, let's close that project. So this will be the complete Python-based project, and deep learning model is used, and Flash framework is used to develop the graphical user interface. So let's close that project. This will be the app.py file, camera.py, spotify.py, and this will be a training file, and it save the model.h5. Okay, let's close that. And that particular project, it will identify the person emotion, and according to that, it will suggest the songs. Open the face mask and social distancing detection. We have to run that particular webcam.py file. So let's open in terminal. Then write python space webcam.py. Then enter. So it will open the laptop webcam, identify that person wearing mask or not. Then it will show in the red color. And if it wearing mask, then it will show in the green color. So let me remove the mic. Now it identifies as a no mask, and if I put any cloth, then it will show the mask. So let me put any cloth. So it identifies as a mask. And if two persons sitting nearby, less than 2 meter, then it will show that they are violating the social distancing. Right now, I'm only the single person here, so it will show the OK in the blue color. Okay, if there is a two person in the single frame, then it will show there will be a social distancing violation. Okay, let's close that. Now this will be the webcam.py file. This will be the complete code. Let's close that. And we are using the YOLO algorithm, YOLO v3. Let's close that. Now in that particular project, it will identify that person wearing mask or not. If it not wearing mask, then it will show in the red color that no mask. And if it wearing the mask, then it will show in the green color as a mask. Let's open the different project, handwritten character recognition. Let's open the project folder. And we have to just open in terminal. Then you have to run the main file, python space main.py. Then enter. And user have to copy the path of image and paste in terminal and remove the double quotes. Then enter. So it will identify as a S character. Okay. So let's close that. Now copy the path of different image. So let's open in terminal. Python space main.py. Then enter. Then you have to paste the different image path. Then enter. So it will predict as a character. This will be the complete project. In that particular project, we have to upload any input image to that model and it will identify that particular character like A, B, C, D, like that. It will identify the characters. Okay, this will be the complete project. and those projects you can develop it and add in your resume. Those are the top 5 demanding deep learning projects. And if you want that particular source code, then you can directly contact us on WhatsApp. I will share the WhatsApp number in the video description. And if you want to develop any Python projects and got stuck in the ideas, then we have prepared the complete project list for the computer science students. So let's open the project list. We are developing the projects in Python, Java, Android, machine learning, deep learning, AI, neural network, OpenCV, Django, React.js, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, PHP, and many more. This will be the WhatsApp number. Scroll down. This will be the machine learning projects. These are the deep learning projects, AI projects, data analytics, data science, image processing, NLP, OpenCV, management system, database management system, Java, Android app, cybersecurity, IoT, and many more. So if you want that particular list, then you can text on WhatsApp as project list, and I will share that particular list. So let's end this video here. If you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section, or you can directly text on WhatsApp. I will share the WhatsApp number. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.